UK manufacturing, a temporary boost or a turning point. The UK's manufacturing sector has shown a glimmer of hope with the final October PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, coming in at 49.7, a slight improvement from the preliminary reading of 49.6. While this may not seem like a significant change, it marks the first time in a year that output has risen, offering a much-needed positive sign. But here's the catch: the growth is fragile and could be short-lived. Key findings from the report reveal that total new orders and new export orders, though contracting, are doing so at a slower rate. This suggests a potential stabilization, but the real story lies beneath the surface. And this is the part most people miss. The October surge in production can be largely attributed to the auto sector's supply chains benefiting from JLR's production restart. However, this boost is temporary, and the underlying demand remains sluggish, both domestically and overseas. Manufacturers are relying on backlogs of orders from previous months and accumulating unsold stock, which is a worrying trend. Rob Dobson, director at S&P Global Market Intelligence, highlights these concerns. The bounce could prove short-lived. October's output growth was dependent on firms eating into backlogs and allowing stock to accumulate. But it's not just the temporary spike that worries experts. The upcoming budget, following last year's, is expected to exacerbate the challenges faced by manufacturers. The impact of the National Minimum Wage, NMW, and employer NIC's, National Insurance Contributions, on costs, demand, and production, is a lingering concern. Despite business optimism reaching an 8-month high in October, it remains below the long-run average. Manufacturers seem to be in a state of limbo, waiting for domestic policies and geopolitical factors to provide more clarity. So, is this a temporary boost or a turning point for UK manufacturing? The answer lies in the upcoming months and the government's ability to address these lingering challenges. What do you think? Is the UK manufacturing sector on the path to recovery, or is this just a brief respite? Share your thoughts and let's discuss.